Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner for the week of August 28th through September 3rd. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using yet, just exactly. However, I know that I wanted to use this pet tape. This from AliExpress. I really love these images, and I have my little spinny tool to cut them out. It does take a minute to cut it out since they are not individually cut, but the images are so beautiful I couldn't help myself. So as I'm cutting this out, I wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for spending more time with me. Okay, so I pulled out a couple sticker books from the Happy Planner. I pulled out the Indigo as well as the Cyanotype, which are completely blue, and I think I'm going to do a blue spread. I haven't done a blue spread in a little bit, so it's going to be a little bit more of a monochrome spread today with lots of blues. And I know typically that this is what we do in winter, but I don't know. I felt like blue, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to pull out this girl really quickly, and we're going to sit her down right here. Look how beautiful these images are. These are kind of like a glossy matte finish. I'm not sure how to explain it. It is glossy, but it's also very visible on camera. Okay, let me pull this out really quick. I don't want to break her. So then we're going to go ahead and put her on Sunday. Look how beautiful these images are. I'm a little obsessed. Oh, I didn't cut this one, so let's go ahead and cut it really, really quickly. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the stuff. But I do like this girl quite a bit, so back to this. So this tool is called Girl Cut, and it is the Pro version. I did have to wait for it quite a while, but it is so convenient to have. It just cuts everything, so it's like a pan with a knife in it. Anyway, I do like it, so I am using it. So bear with me, but here we go. I'm going to go ahead and add her right there. Look how gorgeous. And yes, I know she's on part of the sticker, but I don't mind that, so. Okay, I'm going to pull out the flower. Hydrangeas are one of my favorite flowers, so are orchids. So these are so near and dear to my heart. I want to put it in, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this week. It serves no purpose in my life other than to annoy me. If you guys feel the same way, please let me know. But yes, I hate that little this week thing. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add that flower. So we have flowers on both sides. Look how beautiful this is, right? It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and pull this little flower up here as well. And maybe that quote. There's a beautiful quote in here as well. And yes, it is in English. So I'm going to go ahead and be placing that in. And I'm going to be playing with the rest of the stickers from the Happy Planner collection, I think, to finish up the blues. But I am already loving this spread so much. These girls are so stunning, and it's so much fun to create spreads with them. I really do like girls in my spreads, you guys. So, makes perfect sense. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and roll this up. And then we'll continue making a spread. Yeah, I have another roll inside. Yes, I know. It's a very weird the way I've been storing them, but it is what it is. And if you haven't seen them, You can see them on a roll right here. They are gorgeous. There's different colors of plants and girls. It is absolutely stunning. And we're done. Sorry. Yes, I'm doing this on camera. Sorry if that was annoying, but oh well. So let me add that flower, and then I'm gonna add this quote. I think I'm gonna add it right here. Let's cut it. The ritual of feeling a bunch of flowers well over, can't even read that. Anyway, it's okay. It's a pretty quote. I thought it was fitting to put it in there. I like to use all of my pieces from things when I plan with them. I really do my best not to have waste. So let's go ahead and add a couple of these strips. I really like those too. So this is where the adventure begins. Oh, this looks so good with that lighter blue. So, yep. Okay, and you were made for this. I am loving this spread already. I need some checklists. I need some smaller boxes. I need a few things. So I'm gonna also add a sidebar little checklist, and then we'll go from there. So let me look for some boxes because those are so necessary for me. I write in them all the time, all the things. So that's kind of where my life is right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add another box to Saturday. My weekends are usually busy with stuff, which is nice. And then let's add that. And I'm gonna go ahead and add 4 little boxes. And those will be for my work schedule. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some checklists as well. So we'll go from there. So there's dark ones and light ones, and I'm gonna play and fit them throughout, especially on the days I didn't include the box with check it off already. Okay, Thursday. These are so stunning. I am loving this spread. Let me know what you think, but sometimes I make a spread and I'm just itching to write in it. This is one of them. It's not even finished. I'm already itching to write in it. And it does help that I like color blue a lot. So, okay, so that's where we are right now. I want to add a couple little things and trinkets to this to make it even prettier. So let's add this little fern up here by that girl. I'm gonna add one more box on Monday. And then on Thursday, these are a little bit different boxes. They have a different outline, but I do like them. They're bringing in that deeper blue in. So that's a little bit of fun. And then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna fix that box first. And when I do, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these blue bullet points and add them throughout the spread so I can add details about my days and things that are kind of a highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a few bullet points throughout in the empty spaces. So if I need to write in there, I can. Like on the days that I need to check on TOA or stuff like that, I think that would be very helpful. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this in here. Like so. And then one more on Sunday. And then more practically done with the spread. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how different this was for you, whether you enjoyed it or not, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me today. Bye.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.